Holding the Twisthaler upright, twist the cap in a counterclockwise direction to remove it. As the cap is lifted off, the dose counter on the base will count down by 1. This action will load the dose. Make sure the indented arrow, located directly above the base, is in line with the dose counter. Breathe out completely away from the Twisthaler. Place the Twisthaler in your mouth, and breathe in quickly and deeply, while holding the Twisthaler in a horizontal position. Remove the mouthpiece, hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as you are comfortable, and breathe out slowly through mouth or nose. Immediately replace the cap, turn in a clockwise direction, and gently press down until you hear a click. Make sure that the groove is in line with the dose counter window. Repeat steps 1 to 8 after 30 seconds. If you have to take another puff,